education team. Today, we're making a mixed media weaving using things you can find around the house. Our inspiration today is the work of Christy Madsen. She makes weavings using all kinds of yarn. You can see her work at the Art Museum now through July 17th. Let's get started.
For this project, you'll need sheets of paper or cardstock, strips of paper that you can cut from construction paper or old magazines, yarn if you have it, and anything else you can cut into strips, like scraps of fabric or plastic bags, some tape and scissors. The first step is making a loom. Fold a piece of paper in half, then fold it again, leaving an inch of space at the top. Add straight lines to the folded part. Then cut. And open carefully. We have a loom! Lightly tack the upper corners to your surface and start weaving. Move a strip over and under the vertical strips of paper. Then alternate. You can keep a consistent weaving pattern, or mix up how many strips you move over and under. Trim the edges of your weaving if you want. Play with different material and color combinations. Experiment.
Thanks for joining me, and share your weavings. We'd love to see them.